Welcome. If you're tired of using WhatsApp Web in dark mode and want to switch things up with a clean, bright look, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you how to enable light mode on WhatsApp Web on your PC using the latest update. It only takes a few seconds, so let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by heading over to the WhatsApp web page or by opening the desktop app if you have it installed. Once you're logged in and your messages are visible, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon located near the bottom of that left side menu. This is the settings icon. Click on it to open your WhatsApp Web settings panel. Inside the settings, click on the option labeled Chats. This section is where you can customize the look and feel of your WhatsApp Web experience. After clicking Chats, find and select the theme option. A small window will pop up showing you two choices, light and dark. By default, many users are set to dark mode, but we're going to change that. Simply select light to switch over to the brighter theme. Once you've clicked light, press OK to apply the change. Instantly, your interface will refresh and you'll see everything transform into light mode, crisp, vibrant, and easier to read during the day. That's it. You've successfully turned on light mode on WhatsApp Web. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you prefer a lighter workspace or just want a fresh look for your chats. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides and helpful updates. Thanks for watching.